Hi, this is Rocco at Enchanted Fireside. I thought I'd take a few seconds and show you our gas fireplace insert display. These inserts are made to go inside your existing wood-burning fireplace, whether it's a fireplace or a metal prefabricated kind of fireplace. These inserts are perfect for warming up TV rooms, family rooms. It takes that cold fireplace area that you have now, turns it into a warm, cozy place the family can get together and really enjoy. Takes the chill off the room. They're efficient, 75 to 80% efficiency. And they come with full function remotes, which makes it very easy to control the flame height, fan speeds. They have heat exchangers in them. And those remotes also have thermostats on them. So these are gas burning inserts for existing wood burning fireplaces. Come see them. I think you'll like them.